keep it like this.
Okay.
The difference is if it is off and I use this drawing tool like this. If I want to continue drawing from this point, you can see if I click like this, you can see it does not hit. If I draw like this, I will make a separate, and these are not connected.
Okay.
But if I turn it on, you can see it will automatically think I will continue drawing. So
Captures
it is
point.
Yeah. It is very useful because if you can end up with a model that is not connected, everything will just fall apart. So keep it on. So we will start by drawing circular tubes. So we will use this function, draw circle. So click on it, and you will see the shape of a circle. And you can see you get the options here in the tool properties. You can set an radius or a circumference. We are going to model 120. That's the circumference of this. And segments is how many elements do you want the circle to be divided into. So, for example, if I choose just 12, you can see it gets really, it's very, not very fine circle. So if we choose, for example, I believe we are going to have 40. If we choose 96 instead, you can see we get a more fine circle. So in our example, we are going to have 2 circles, and we will have the number of brackets, which are these that connect the circles. We will have 48 of those blue ones that goes around and connect. And so we are thinking that it would be good to have at least 2 elements between these brackets. So that's why we go with 96 elements. So I choose how big the circle is and how many elements I want to divide into. And then I choose where the center of the circle should be. So I want to place it with center in Origo. So I set the coordinates and I press enter on the keyboard. So this is now my circle. Were you able to follow along?